Boy, it is water. I just need to wash now. This is the light. Watch such a beautiful water. Ah. Yeah, at this stage, I just have to film here. Yeah, so actually the ground move. They have to build here a new bridge. They're working, they're building a new bridge, but anyway, the road now is very bad, yeah, at this point. Good. Very, very bad. Oh, I don't know what to use, but it's very bad. I keep feeling like I'm going down, but not really. Just hard. Not very hard, but it's little bit very steep, yeah. Whoa, man. Which way to choice? Yeah. I chose the easy way. I don't know if really this is the easy way, but we find out now, yeah? We find out now. Hey, we go in this water. Okay. Yeah, well, anyway. Another guy here with the bike. Ah, I just need to wash now. This is the light. It's a little bit hard, but we go forward. Yeah, beautiful adventure. Hello. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I don't know what is this, you know. When I was child, my grandfather teach me something. Wow, very big corner. My grandfather teach me something, yeah. No matter how bad it's, stick to the road where someone already drive, yeah. Someone already been there, yeah. So if someone drive the car or the horse, whoever him drive, yeah, on these waters, yeah. If him was riding there, yeah, and him is not stuck there, this mean him it's okay, you know, him was okay, so him pass through, yeah. So you need to step till to the same road, you know. And this is what I did, you know. But I try to. Wow, this is such a beautiful place, man. Watch such a beautiful water. Aha, woohoo! This is cool, man. Yeah, very very cool. Anyway, it's looking very nice. I like it. It's good for one picture, yeah. I think. Oh, this is cool. This is very very cool. Yeah, beautiful people. So me just need to make some picture, yeah. So far after passing that water, yeah, my cable come with me. So far after passing that water, only this, you say this one, I go inside the water. But I'm fine. I'm happy. I pass and I'm happy, 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 happy. Watch how beautiful it's here. You say this, yeah. Very, very beautiful. And it's very high, you know. It's coming from very, very high, you know. Ooh. Indonesia, baby, and Moto World Explorer, it's here. Smile, smile, smile. YouTube, you're just taking the piece, you know, but me, I am still happy. Take care, everybody, and see you very soon. Bye bye for now.